The entertainment community is mourning the heartbreaking loss of Robert Cosby Jr., the 23-year-old son of reality television personality Mary Cosby. His death has sent shockwaves through fans of the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City and beyond, as tributes and condolences continue to pour in. According to authorities, emergency responders were dispatched to a residence in Salt Lake City following reports of a medical emergency. When first responders arrived, Robert Jr. was reportedly unconscious and not breathing. Life-saving efforts were immediately initiated at the scene. Despite attempts to revive him, he was later pronounced dead. Officials have indicated that the case remains under investigation, with early reports suggesting the possibility of a suspected overdose. Final determinations are pending further review by medical examiners. In a joint statement released shortly after the news became public, Mary Cosby and her husband, Robert Cosby Sr., expressed profound grief over the loss of their only child together. The couple described their son as deeply loved and said their hearts were aching beyond words. They also thanked supporters for their prayers and asked for privacy as they navigate what they called an unimaginable tragedy. The family emphasized their faith as a source of strength during this painful time. Robert Jr.'s life had, at times, unfolded in the public eye due to his mother's role on The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. Viewers of the series witnessed glimpses of his personal struggles, including battles with substance abuse and mental health challenges. In previous appearances, he spoke candidly about his journey with addiction and his efforts toward recovery. His openness resonated with many who saw in him a young man attempting to overcome difficult circumstances while growing up under public scrutiny. Beyond the television screen, those close to Robert Jr. describe him as a private individual who preferred to keep a low profile despite his mother's high visibility. Friends and family members have remembered him as kind-hearted and sensitive, someone who cared deeply for those around him. In recent years, he had faced personal setbacks, including marital difficulties, but was said to be working towards stability and healing. The news of his death has also had an immediate impact on production related to the show. The network behind the series, Bravo, has reportedly paused filming to allow cast members and production staff time to grieve. Fellow cast members have shared messages of sympathy, highlighting the tight-knit nature of the ensemble and the deep bonds formed during years of filming. Fans across social media platforms have expressed shock and sorrow, many recalling moments from the show that showcased Robert Jr.'s vulnerability and quiet presence. The tragedy has reignited conversations about substance use, mental health awareness, and the pressures faced by young adults navigating personal struggles in a highly public environment. Advocates have used the moment to encourage open dialogue and access to support resources for those battling addiction and emotional distress. Mary Cosby, known for her outspoken personality and complex storylines on reality television, now faces a deeply personal loss far removed from the drama of entertainment headlines. For viewers who have followed her journey, the tragedy serves as a stark reminder that behind every televised storyline are real families and real lives marked by triumphs and hardships alike. As the investigation continues, the focus remains on honoring the memory of Robert Cosby Jr. and supporting his grieving family. Funeral arrangements have not yet been publicly announced. In the days ahead, loved ones are expected to gather privately to celebrate his life and reflect on the memories he leaves behind. The death of a young life at 23 is a sobering loss. For Mary Cosby and her family, it marks an indescribable chapter of grief. For the broader public, it stands as a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of compassion during times of sorrow.